Hey, what's going on, guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at an exclusive Chaves Ultramar that was sent in to the channel by my good friend Mike. Now, I've been trying to get my hands on one of these for quite a while, and they're really hard to get. It's kind of one of those right place at the right time kind of things because they sell out immediately. Now, right when I asked him to send this guy in, I actually found one for sale. I picked up this one right here from my good friend Joe, aka the Knife Whisperer, which this is the Blade HQ exclusive, which comes with this G10 show side scale, and it's pretty much the same knife, with the exception of a couple different things. But yeah, excellent knife. The action on these are amazing. I wouldn't expect anything less from Redencion, but this ain't the knife we're here to review today. Today we're going to be checking out this beaut right here, the Chisel Grind Chaves Ultramar. Now, I am so impressed by this knife, and I love a good chisel grind. I've never experienced one of this caliber before, so I was really happy he sent this thing in. Now, the blade is made from M390 and has this hand-rub chisel side finish, which looks really, really good. Again, my camera hates it, so I apologize. But here on the lock side, you can see it has this combination hollow grind, which Redencion just does so well. Now, of course, the clip, which is the main selling point for this knife, in a lot of people's opinion anyway, which I know some people like it, some people don't. I personally absolutely love it. I think it looks great, and it kind of sets it apart from other knives. Now, of course, it is a frame lock design and comes with this all titanium handle. The pocket clip is titanium as well, while all of the hardware is made from stainless. Now, the D10 on this knife is dialed in perfectly, and this thing snaps out really, really nicely. I mean, this is a really great knife through and through, and honestly, a lot of it has to do with the placement of that thumb stud. I've noticed a lot of knives these days have been putting it a little too close to that handle or not really giving you enough room to deploy the knife, and you really don't get that much leverage on it. You don't have that problem with this knife, and everything about it, it just fits me, to be honest, as a person and what I like in a knife. Anyway, the overall length on this guy is 8.22 inches. The blade is 3.63, the cutting edge 3.25 with a width of 1.25. Now the thickness is 0.16. Now the handle length 4.59, the width 1.125, the thickness 0.55, and let's get a weight on this bad boy. Make sure that's zeroed out. 6.495, which honestly, it doesn't carry like 6.5 ounces. And to be honest, I really don't notice the difference between this and the G10, which I might as well go ahead and measure that while we're here. I think there's only about an ounce difference, something like that. Yeah, 5.405, which you can't tell an ounce difference in the pocket. So, in my opinion, might as well go with the titanium because it's stronger and it looks better. But anyway, we will compare this bad boy to the PM2. You can see it's right around the same size as the PM2. Now, compare it to the Benchmade 940 that was actually sent in by my good friend Shoemaster Tech. Definitely go check out his channel. He is a great guy, great content. But anyway, you can see it's maybe an eighth of an inch bigger than the 940, which the 940 is a really slender knife, but I mean, it still has a great size to it. See, one more. Compared to the Elementum, it's about 1.5 inches bigger than the Elementum. Again, overall, this is an excellent knife, and if you can get your hands on one, don't pass it up. It is, man, it's just mind-blowing. I absolutely love this thing, and honestly, the chisel grind, it just really does it for me. I didn't think I would like it as much as I did, but it really intrigued me. Once I actually seen it, I was just completely sold. I've actually got another chisel grind knife on the way here soon, because this guy just ruined me. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe. Again, thanks to Mike for sending this guy out. I am glad I was able to check this bad boy out. I'm just completely blown away with it. I am such a huge fan of knives. Again, I am not a knife critic. I am a knife lover, so you're not going to hear me bashing any knives on this channel. If the knife isn't worth it, chances are you're not going to see it on my channel. So, we'll go with that. Anyway, hope you guys have a good one. See you on the next one.